Hello YouTube and welcome to my newest video. You'll notice a lot of changes as well as many things here that are on the, well, it could be the right or left side for you, but for me it's on this side. And those are just to remind you to like, subscribe, comment, and it's my new logo for my channel. And that way, if you see that logo in my videos or you see a logo in a weather video, you'll recognize that I took part of that in some way. Now, we're going to open up Edge here, and there's not too much to talk about. And good news. It's going to be good news for a lot of people out there, especially ones who have a lot of thunderstorm anxiety. It's going to be some good news for them. So I'm going to open up weather.com.edu. All right. And I'm going to go to weather data, and I'm going to go to satellite and radar. And we're just going to take a look at what we're dealing with right now. So right off the bat, you kind of look at your infrared satellite here. The brighter colors symbolizing more thick cloud cover here. And you got a lot of that over here near the New England area. Some spotty clouds here down in the Alabama area. We're going to talk about that. So we're going to look at the mosaic radar. And with that area of rain and snow mix there, moving into the Boston area, the Connecticut area, the New York area. That rain and snow mix I've been talking about for a while. It'll go from rain to snow, back to rain, back to snow, over and over again. Down here in Florida, you got some bigger, more dangerous thunderstorms here. This is our threat for severe weather and even a spin up or two tornado down here near Florida. And then just bloody thunderstorms here near Alabama. Dew pool next red, we're now going to open up. And you can clearly see some big rumbly thunderstorms down here. Big updrafts, some hail here, seeing on the radar way far out. Definitely a bigger thunderstorm event here going on in Florida. And this is just going to be the GFS model. It's going to give us a look in the future department. It's going to show us those light thunderstorms, showers, and storms here in northern Alabama, middle Tennessee. That'll continue till about midnight tonight. And then heavier thunderstorms here down near Florida, as well as that rain snow mix. It becomes prevalent as it expands here into the Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, New York area. Could pick up an inch to 2 inches of snow there, especially if you stay in the snow for a while, though. You warm back up pretty quickly. This is about 2 days from now. You warm back up real quickly. Get into the 40s, probably cool back down again. Another shot of a rain snow mix in the form of what's called an Alberta clipper, which is this low that's going to come out of Canada, kind of dip through here. Could get another shot of rain snow mix here. 96 hours, 11 a.m., April 15th. Think April 15th in general. Could expect rain snow mix here in the Northeast. Boston area should stay dry. New York area might get some rain snow mix, though. Can't rule out a shot of rain there in the Boston area. Maybe even some runs of thunder. And then storms kind of advance here. You get kind of this ridge to form again, and this is what I was really worried about, is that there's going to be these training low pressures with just a lot of warm, moist air, and that could cause for another series of severe weather events here in the Arkansas area. Now, this is 180 hours out here, so I'm not too impressed with this signature, but then again, we've seen this happen before, and a lot of people down there are pretty concerned about that. Moving into later, 246 hours out. At this point, this might not even happen, but just shows the active weather pattern after that. European model. This is going to kind of show us a better look at what we can be expecting in the rain snow department down here. Boston's going to be weird. They're on the line. All right. Other areas of Massachusetts, you'll probably get some snow, but Boston itself, let me take a quick sounding. I think you may stay rain. All right. It's tough to call, but you may stay rain. Of course, that Alberta clipper does come in. Interestingly enough, GFS shows it more north, which it calls lake effect rain snow mix. All right. Then that will kind of change over to lake effect snow. Could pick up some serious accumulation there. Then let's take a look at the dew point here. All right, so I want to see what this ridge. So you get your dew points. You'll get a system here. This one has a shot of severe weather, and I talked about this last week. This particular system in the Tennessee area, maybe not so much Alabama, in 90 hours on April the 14th, has a shot of some severe weather, and I'm thinking this is going to happen during the nighttime. And we don't want to hear about nighttime severe weather, but it's not incredible to set up. But could have some rumbles of thunder with that, though. Severe weather at this point, I'm thinking is going to be off the table. All right, big dip after that. Like I said, the lake effect snow. And then just this pattern of just moisture and just constant severe weather after that. All right, so trust me, April's not that far away. Just to show you the energy, need a high dew point for severe weather. This is very far out though, but clearly after that shows extremely high dew points for much of the U.S. 68 up here, man, that's rough. And that will just continue. Just prolonged severe weather after that is probably going to happen. Like I said though, the weatherman has good news, and that is currently right now, not only is our severe weather not too bad, but it is looking like it's going to be calm for a little while. I'm going to go to each individual area of the country and sort of go over that. For that, I'm going to use COD. So, weather data, numerical models. Let's go with the GFS. First, we're going to talk about the western United States. All right, look how dry we stay. Till about 156 hours out, could get some thunderstorms, Las Vegas area, some convergence, some microbursts with that. But pretty calm for what, 5-6 days? It's pretty good. Pacific Northwest up here. All right, you're dealing with some light rain today near and into tonight near the Seattle area. That'll kind of diminish through the night. You'll wake up with just a dreary day, and then could get some showers as we continue here. But and that northern Idaho could get some storms there for 29 hours out. Overall, not looking too bad though. Moving to the Midwest area. Generally, Illinois gets this wind out of the south, quickly cut off by these storms. Really quickly, I want to check to see if there's Cape. That will be the unstable air portion of this, and there's definitely some here to work with. So, could see a severe weather threat for Illinois in 57 hours. With that, let's see the surface based. I mean, it's not incredible, but really not at all. Getting up to 1,000 though, Missouri. 500 millibars. Just a quick look at some advanced severe weather things here. There's a little bit of some wind there. 945, it's coming out more this way. So, could get some rumbles of thunder out here near Illinois. Indianapolis, Louisville, Kentucky could get some rumbles of thunder with that system as it moves south. Alright, after that though, in 57 hours, calm. Until another system, like 60 hours after that. But why do I got the HTML open? Anyway, checking out the southeast. It's looking pretty nice. Get that quick wave of thunderstorms. Like I said, could get some taller updrafts with this. A hail threat is possible. Let's take our joules per kilogram here on the surface. It's not incredible. It is there though. Your supercell composite there. It's not incredible. It is there though. Like I said, threat will be mainly confined to Tennessee with that. That will kind of push through and then really just calm for a long time. A long time. Let's check just the majority of New England here. And so you're going to get that rain snow mix, very calm. Then you get that push of thunderstorms at 81 hours. But you get a good couple days there with no precipitation. Moving up, you get that rain snow mix. Calm, you get another push of rain in 80 hours. So, overall, United States is looking pretty good. I think that's how I'm going to end my video. Some good news from the weatherman here. And I hope everybody has a nice time, enjoys these good couple days of nice sunny, maybe dreary weather, and have a good time.